Hey guys, today we're going to be ripping the X-Pro Templar and see what it's all about. A lot of people hate on Chinese bikes, but to be quite honest, Chinese bikes have come a long ways, and the people that say that just need to grow up. Guys, quick break in today's video to tell you about our sponsor, Dino Detailing. Dino Detailing is a multi-purpose detailing company that cleans interior and exterior windows, interior and exterior body, and carpet. They detail all around. So let's get back to today's video. Alright guys, the X-Pro Templar is a fairly good bike. I've only had a couple minor problems with it. It was like missing 2 bolts when I got it. The transmission, it sometimes won't shift into neutral, but otherwise it's a really good bike. I'd give it a 4 out of 5. And I'll leave the bike in the description if anybody is interested in buying it or they just want to test it out themselves. I'll also leave any aftermarket parts in the description. I know there's like a NIBBI carburetor you can get, extra handlebars for it. You can get a lot of other stuff to add on or even make it better. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.